Thank you, Sam. So, 35 years ago, which Sam and I calculated, Wendy and I were asked to be part of a Race Unity Day celebration, which is a day to celebrate the harmony of all races, right? In the United States, it was created by the Baha'i community in the 50s, and in 1991, we were invited to perform at an outdoor park in Exeter, New Hampshire. Well, it just so happened that a member of the Ku Klux Klan was in the police force in Exeter. He was fired once he was discovered, but he brought up 13 of his friends from the South to protest against the day, the event that we were part of. And during our performance, they circled our stage twice. It was an outdoor stage. They circled the stage twice with their signs of, hatred and bigotry, and then stood behind us for 1.5 songs. And during that time, I had written a song for Wendy called "I Want to Break the Mirror of Your Past." She danced, they were there, the light and the dark was an unbelievable contrast. One of them whispered, Wendy heard, do you think they're scared? And Wendy, we almost burst out laughing because we had never felt such joy in our entire life. We had the light message, the positive message, but contrasting that with the dark, it was amazing. And the flautist's husband was filming it. So you will see it tonight. And Wendy, well, there's a surprise. I want to break, and this is really not just for Wendy, it's for our country to break the bonds of prejudice and racism, but really for the whole world. So I want to break the mirror of your past. And I wrote the song. Is there any issue that we should talk about with the feedback?
And maybe bring the company down just a little.
Yeah, the backtrack's down a little, yeah. Let me just move this a teeny bit that way.
Carefully you stand, unfortunately, with a super sensitive microphone.
Yeah, that's good. I think that's okay. Let's try it again.
It was lovely up till then, though. It sounded great.
Thank you. Let's check it again. Striving to be free of a love you once shared. All the signs of love within your heart have been turned upside down. I want to break the mirror of your past. Let me reflect on you, the beauty that I see. Let me be the reflection in your eye. All the signs of love within your heart have been turned upside down. Won't you bring the mirror of your past? I know that you can do it if you try. I know that you must do it to survive. I know that you can do it. The strength is in you, do it. I want to break the mirror of your past. When I look in your eyes, I see the beauty of a soul within, striving to be free of a love you won't share. All the signs of love within your heart have been turned upside down. I want to break the mirror of your past. I want to break the mirror of your past. I want to break the mirror of your past.
This is October 6th, 1991.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Thank you, Marty. And thank you, Wendy. It was really, really
Almost a year.
something special.
35 years.
Okay.